Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, September 14, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, September 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 14, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, September 14, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 12 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Saturday, September 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, September 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.